brother. I'm not defeating him. Help me! Oh, help me! What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I'm stuck in this house. Till my mouse brother comes. I'm on a wheel. I'll save you. Whee! Save me! This was a dragon. I'll take care of this. Die. Taken care of. Oh, this is fun. Did you defeat the dragon? Yeah, I guess I did. Well, at least you destroyed the dragon. Yeah, bathroom. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, this place is the best. Even a dragon invasion? I've always wanted a dragon invasion. I know, I've always wanted a dragon invasion too. Christmas cheers, Christmas cheers, Christmas cheers today. Christmas cheers, Christmas cheers, Christmas cheers, Christmas cheers. Woo! This is the life. Brother? Are you fighting a dragon? Maybe. Maybe. Oh, you better not be fighting a dragon. I'm not. This is a little scary. Going at a hairpin. But hairpin is best. It's the best. I love hairpins. Whoa. This is fun. Stars. Houdini. Pan mouse. Orbit. Siamese mouse. Especially devoted to you. Have a nice day.